this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gender in Blockman Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover what I believe is the easiest way to change gender when playing Blockman Go. So the easiest way to do this is going to be by going over to your character customization page. So tap on this icon on the bottom of your screen, and now you can browse through all of the items available. In here, you can choose specific items that fit the gender that you want to appear as. So you will notice that there is no explicit gender option here. We can browse through all of the categories. Even under character, we have actions, skin tone, background, but you will notice that there is no direct way to change the gender. So basically, the best way to essentially change your gender in Blockman Go is to equip different clothes that fit the gender that you want your character to be. So browse through various different makeup options, hair options, and so on, and you will be able to essentially have it changed. You will have to go through every single category, but it can be quite convincing once you get the items just right. So there's a lot of things to explore in the shop, and once you choose the appropriate items, you will be able to essentially change your gender. I did a lot of research and I wasn't able to find a gender option directly, but if you know of a way to change the gender itself, please let us know in the comment section below so others can know as well. But after you choose everything from here, you will be able to see your character and determine on whether or not you like it. Once it is done, you can choose all of the items that you selected here to purchase, and all of them will be used. It is simple to do, and there are a lot of items that will be able to fit either of the genders when you go over to the Blockman Go store. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gender in Blockman Go. Before I end the video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, just like with this video, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support for more Blockman Go videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.